Fixing Hulu is not available in your region is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can fix your Hulu is saying that it is not available in your region. So there could be a reason that the Hulu is not available in your region. However, I'm going to tell you how you guys can encounter it. In order to encounter it, you have to download any of the virtual private network VPN to avoid this. If you are at the TV, you can actually download a VPN in the TV as well. There are several VPNs like Surfshark or NordVPN, which you have to buy to use in your TV. However, in order to use it in the free, if you want to do it on the laptop or computer, you can do it for free or in the mobile as well. So in the mobile, you can download VPN called as Super VPN from the your Google Play Store or App Store. In the in the desktop, you simply have to search for touch VPN, and then you have to search for web store. Now after that, you simply have to go to Google Chrome Store, install it. After installing it, it will start appearing right here. You just have to click on to turn it on, which should look something like that. So that's pretty much it. That's all I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.